In a press release issued Wednesday, April the 23rd, 2026, and signed by its national president, Professor Maurice Kamto, the opposition party said it had referred the matter to the chairperson of the African Union Assembly of Heads of State and Government, as well as the chairperson of the African Union Commission, through a memorandum and correspondence dated April the 20th, 2026. The CRM party is requesting the African Union to activate measures provided for against unconstitutional changes of government, which it argues have taken the form of a constitutional coup in Cameroon. The party's petition hinges primarily on law number 2026/004 of April the 14th, 2026, which created the post of Vice President of the Republic. Under the reform, the Vice President is appointed by the incumbent President and, in the event of a vacancy or permanent incapacity, completes the presidential term of office without standing for election. The arrangement thus allows the President of the Republic, elected by a universal suffrage, to designate a successor who would exercise the highest office without going through an election, the CRM party stated. The party argues that this violates the democratic principle that the sovereign people chooses their leader and contravenes Article 64 of the Cameroonian Constitution, which prohibits violations of democratic principles. The CRM party also raised the issue of repeated postponement of legislative and municipal elections since 2024. The party noted that the delays have kept elected officials in office beyond their mandate without electoral scrutiny, leading to what it describes as an erosion of the legitimacy of representative institutions. The CRM party therefore contends that two issues, notably the non-elective succession mechanism and the prolonged suspension of local and parliamentary elections, constitute an unconstitutional change of government under the African Union principles. It cited Article 4 of the African Union's Constitutive Act, which condemns and rejects unconstitutional changes, and Article 3 and 4 of the African Union Charter on Democracy, Elections and Governance, to which Cameroon is a state party. According to the party, the current situation immediately and durably increases the risk of a serious political crisis with direct implications for peace, security, and national cohesion. The CRM party calls on all Cameroonians without distinction who are committed to respect of the Constitution, democratic principles, and the rule of law to remain focused and vigilant so that indifference or distraction does not facilitate the establishment of a monarchy in Cameroon. As of press time, the government of Cameroon had not issued an official response to the CRM party's petition to the African Union.